Restocks. The Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 released today. Leave a comment down below in the comments right now. Let me know if you copped or if you took an L. If you copped, put a bunch of fire emojis. If you took an L, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped and who did not. Sneakerheads, I need your attention right now in the beginning of this video. Welcome to another video. If you guys love sneakers, which I know you do, you're on a sneaker channel, you clicked on this video, you guys need Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. This is their duffel bag. They also make backpacks and a lot of other type of bags for sneakerheads, once again, when you guys travel. So right here, let me show you guys the features of this bag. Right here, on the side of the bag, I have my University Blue Air Jordan 1s, and on the other side, check this out. Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s, guys. Both of them jam-packed in there. And then I also have tons of space for a lot more sneakers. I have like 5 or 6 pairs of sneakers in here right now, guys. Check this out. We'll undo the zipper, take a look. But got a bunch of Jordan 1s, some Jordan 3s in here. Lots and lots of shoes. I'm gonna take all of them out. Look at this, guys. Tons and tons of space in Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description to solepremise.com. And make sure you use my discount code, Danny Moore, to save yourself 40% off your order from solepremise.com. Guys, I love Sole Premise. They're made for sneakerheads when you travel. High quality backpacks to hold your sneakers when you're going on vacation, away for the weekend, anything like that. Backpacks, travel bags, any type of bag you guys need, Sole Premise has. Tons of colorways. You're gonna find a bag you are going to fall in love with, I guarantee it. Click the link down below in the description and use my discount code, my name, Danny Moore, for 40% off your order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to win a free pair, I am giving away this pair. All you guys need to do, it's very simple, is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and then DM me proof that you did that. That's all you guys need to do. I'll be picking a winner in a few weeks' time. Someone's gonna win these Hyper Royals for completely free because I know a lot of you guys want this sneaker. This is a brand new pair, size 8. This is a very clean sneaker. This sneaker, man, was tough to get today. Nike sneakers had quite a bit of stock compared to everywhere else. It looks like Nike held a lot of the stock for themselves. A lot of people took a W on the sneakers app, but a lot of L's were handed out. So I want to talk about restocks on this sneaker because there will be a lot of restocks, a lot of late shipments going on when it comes to the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. So many people took an L on this sneaker today because a lot of the stock was not released today. Yes, they gave today as the release day. However, in my opinion and a lot of people's opinions, this sneaker should have been pushed back. A lot of retailers did not even get their shipments in, both online and for in-store, especially for in-store. A lot of places didn't get them. Finish Line being at the top, honestly, in-store. Finish Line said they'll have them at a later date. It'll be on the apps. We all know how that works. And as well, online, very, very quickly, they were gone this morning, extremely quick. When it comes to Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, they were gone extremely quick online. In store, some stores had grade school pairs, some had men's, some had none. In fact, most stores had nothing. Stores by Me had nothing, guys. This sneaker was tough to get today for retail, both online and in store. So, what does that mean? Expect delayed shipments as well as restocks. Online, this sneaker is going to be tough. On release day was tough. On restocks and upcoming releases for this sneaker is going to be tough as well because of bots. We all know how online works. Yes, you can get through manually. It is very tough to do so. This sneaker will be online. A lot of major retailers will be releasing them again in the next coming days, the next coming weeks, even the next month or so as well. Now, when it comes to in-store, I think in-store might be your best bet, but you need to be on top of your game. You need to be on top of this. Now, here's what I recommend doing. Going to your stores. Going to the stores will be the best bet for you because you can actually wind up going in store. Who knows? and maybe hitting on an in-store raffle. And then you can hit the in-store raffle, and just like I did, I posted a video earlier today, guys. My local Finish Line the other day had an in-store raffle for the University Blue Air Jordan 1s, and I wound up picking them up today because I wound up winning the in-store raffle. They were just there. Didn't know. I was in the mall. I went right in, filled out the raffle. Boom, next thing you know, I win the raffle, guys. It's just like that. That same thing is going to happen with the Hyper Royal. Same thing happened with the Mochas. The same thing with the University Blues. The Hyper Royals. These big Jordan 1 releases where hype and demand is crazy is even worse of a release now than ever before because of what's going on in the world. A lot of delayed shipments, a lot of restocks later on going on, a lot of backdooring going on, a lot of who you know going on. Guys, sneaker releases nowadays are crazy. This sneaker is no exception. This is a beautiful shoe, and I'm gonna tell you guys, make sure you go in store. If you want to call, you can. I don't really recommend calling because they can and will lie to you on the phone, and then you won't even know. The shoe could be sitting in stores, right? They could be doing an in-store raffle and tell you, nope, we don't even have them. So you're better off going into the store and making those connects, hitting up those people and seeing, hey, do you have them? Do you have them? If so, how are you releasing them? If you don't have them yet, when are you getting them? When will you be releasing them? How will you be releasing them? A lot of the pairs will be back on apps. I promise that. You'll see them just like you saw the University Blue ones on apps weeks after release. The same thing is going to happen with the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s as well. So Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, they'll be on the app soon. Again, it's going to be very, very tough with the Flex app, and they'll be on Finish Line. Finish Line did say they will be on the app soon, as well as other apps as well. Other major retailers online and in-store will be getting them. Delayed shipments, guys. It's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy, and it sucks, but it is what it is nowadays. So to increase your chances of copying, here's what I would tell you guys to do. First of all, when it comes to online, oh man, it's going to be very, very tough, especially if you don't have a bot. But turn on notifications for J23 app, Solinks, Sneaker Twitter. You definitely need Twitter, the best, honestly, when it comes to restocks. So when it comes to in-store, here's what I recommend doing. Going to your local stores, not every single day, but as much as possible, right? Popping in store, and see, hey, do you have them? Are you doing first come, first serve? Are you doing a raffle? How are you releasing the sneaker? If you don't have them yet, when will you be getting them? Anything like that. A lot of these stores will be tweeting out what's going to be happening online, so make sure you guys, stay tuned to their Twitter. Foot Locker, Foot Action Champs, Finish Line, DTLR, all these retailers, every retailer basically got screwed over when it came to this release. A lot of retailers don't have their full size runs, didn't get their full size runs, didn't even get men's pairs, didn't get grade school pairs, only got certain sizes, they didn't even get like a full size run. This release was all over the place. So guys, make sure you're on top of your game if you really want this sneaker for retail. It's a beautiful sneaker that's going to continue to go up in price. I do think they will drop. I don't think now's the time to buy them. I dropped a video yesterday talking about don't buy them yet. I did talk about when you guys can buy them. I do think you should wait a little bit if you're looking to pick up a personal pair or for an investment purpose. But this is a very, very dope shoe, and I think they're clean. If you truly want them, and you don't think you're gonna get them for retail, I do recommend waiting to pay that resale price. If you can get them for retail, obviously go ahead and get them. Very, very dope. Quality is nice, and this is a very, very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the Hyper Royals. Let me know if you guys copped a pair today on release day. If you did not pick up a pair today, make sure you guys are on top of your game to try to pick up a pair with an upcoming restock or a late shipment. Let me know what you guys think about the Hyper Royals down below in the comments. Man, these are straight fire. I'm very happy to have this pair that I did pay quite a bit of money for, but it was worth it, and I will be giving away this pair, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Just once again, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and send me a DM with proof that you did that. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.